Hey guys, so glad you can make it back to another Mastercrafts video. Today I've got a really great design. I give you the Origami Ninja Star. It's a super fun, simple, and easy design to make, and I literally spent 2 hours playing with it. Let's begin. So I'm going to be using 2 pieces of construction paper for this. I'm using 2 different colors. You can use whatever you like. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is make a square out of each. So take the left corner and bring it to the right side. Go ahead and crease. Making sure you have a sharp point on top. Flip it over. Fold this side back so it's just where the other side is. Go ahead and crease. Flip it over, flip it up. Fold this side over the same line we just made. Open up. Now we'll cut along this side and do the same thing for the brown piece of paper. And now we have 2 sheets of squares. Now what we're going to do is take this top right corner and bring it down to this bottom left corner. Go ahead and crease. Open up. Doing the same thing, taking this top right corner, bring it down to the bottom left side, and then creasing. Open up. Now we'll make a plus side in the center, folding in half, both ways. Take the top, bring it down to the bottom, lining up the edges the best way you can. Take this top side, bring it down to the bottom. Open up. Take the left side, fold to the right. Crease. Up. Now you should have something like this. Now what we're going to do is take this left side and fold it to the center line. Take the right side, fold it to the center line. Do the same thing, taking the left side, fold to the center. Take the right side, fold to the center. And then crease. Now you should have 2 of these. Now what we're going to do is fold it in half and then crease. Fold this in half and crease. Now rotate it and then fold it in half. Take the left side, fold to the right. Open up, take the left side, fold it to the right. Open up. And now we'll take this corner, fold up along this line. And now take this corner and fold down along this line. And crease. Now we'll do the opposite on this side. We'll take this corner and fold it down along the center line. And take this corner and fold it up on the center line. Now we should have two of these. Now what we're going to do is flip it over, and what we're going to do is take this corner, top right corner, and bring it down to this point right here. And then crease, rotate it the other way. Same thing, take this top right corner, fold it to the center. The same thing on this side, flip it over. Take this top left corner, fold it to this point. Go ahead and crease, rotate it, take this top left corner, fold to the center. And now what we're going to do is fold over on this line and then crease. Same thing, folding over on this line. Crease, open up. Now we'll fold over on this line again, lining up the edges nicely. And now fold over on this line right here. We're almost done. Now what we're going to do is hold one facing like this and hold one going over so that it creates a plus sign. Something like this. But now flip it over. So now you should have two triangles on top. Now what we're going to do is take this flap, fold it over. We're going to tuck it in into here to this pocket. Fold it over. Tuck it in. Same thing, we're going to fold this over. Like so. And now tuck it in. So you should see something like this. Flip it over, do the same thing on this side. Fold this over. And now we'll tuck it in. Do the last one, fold it over. And tuck it in. The last one might be a little tricky, so I recommend you slightly pull it up a little. Or what you could do is open up this flap right here. Now, do the last one by tucking it in. And you can adjust it. Same thing, fold the top one over. And now we'll go and increase this one. And then just do some adjustments. And there you go. We have a finished ninja star. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back with more.